Being a fidget spinner. Yeah, I want to just see what the hype is about all these fidget spinners. And honestly, it kind of looks kind of cool to me. But, you know, I'm not really into all the trendy shit and everything, so, you know. But, you know, I hope it's cool, you guys. So, yeah. I think he got one. He got one. Hi, babe. Yay. What's so fun about these damn things? Oh, God. What is the hype about these damn things? Makes sound too.
Makes sound.
They don't stop, do they? Is that what the hype about it is? Is it going faster?
What?
Dude, it's not even stopping. It's kind of heavy.
It's heavy.
Kind of. When people do these on their noses and shit,
Maybe.
I had to stop it myself because it didn't want to stop by itself. What is so fun about these damn fidget spinners? You guys.
You want to test something?
Test what? What am I testing? It depends on what I'm testing.
Like if it falls from a, like if it were to get thrown or fall, it'll still spin.
I don't know.
That's what I'm set.
Yes. It's still spinning, you guys.
Cool.
I just broke it.
And you just broke it. We just got it today. You get it on camera before you do it.
No.
What happened?
I'm bleeding from it.
Wait, what?
I'm bleeding from it, you guys.
So fidget spinners really are dangerous. You get it?
No. I'm gonna take this off. And then. Are you recording me doing this?
I'm recording you twice.
There, that was so easy.
You got it in?
Yeah. God, that hurt like a bitch.
Are you gonna...
So I broke my first fidget spinner and then I started bleeding from it and then I got it to work again. Yay me? Is this what all the hype is about?
Are you gonna test my stuff now?
Yeah, you do it though this time. I want you to do it this time.
Then you hold it. Hold that.
Yeah, stop it.
I was trying to do a trade-off.
Well, that wasn't going to work.
I just want to try.
What are you throwing it on? This Holy Bible again?
It's gonna disrespect the Bible. Whoa, whoa. I moved it and there was so much weight in it.
Yeah, that looks kind of cool on this camera.
Yep.
Maybe we should do... Oh, maybe that's why.
What?
There was a piece sticking out, and there's another piece sticking out.
Oh, it's still broken.
I told you.
You found it?
Oh, it's still spinning.
That's slowing down. It was slowing down.
Blanket.
Yeah. Let's try something.
You see it?
Dang, missed. Oh, got it. Let's like toss it. Try to knock it off. No, toss it. Toss it. Do not.
Can anybody tell me what the hype is about all this? Because honestly, I don't understand it myself. So you know. I wonder if I can do it on my forehead. It's tickling.
On your nose again?
I'm gonna try it.
At least balance it first.
I'm going to.
Oh. Sorry.
Hello, bitches. Beep, 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 bitch. Am I cool yet?
No.